Well, everybody, I'm getting ready to do my feeding video, and she's going to have a little bit of beet nut classic sweet potatoes. So she's going to eat some sweet potatoes, and she don't know that she's going to get a little ice cream for dessert. So we'll be back. Okay, little mama. Here is something new you ain't never had. And I'm gonna try you some sweet potatoes. Mommy. Tastes really good. Really good, Mama. More and more. Mmm. Mmm. Really, really good, Mom. You make some good food. Thank you. Mm. Here you go. Mmm. Let me clean your mouth. There we go. There we go. I want more. Okay, okay, hold on. Here you go. Mmm. Mmm. It's really good, Mommy. Really good. Mmm. Really, really good. There you go. Oh, you did so well. It's gone, everybody. Mm. She did a very good job. That was really good, Mama. Okay, everybody, she now is going to get Wendy's Frosty ice cream. We'll be back in a minute. Okay, Missy. Now you get to try something else new. It's cold, it's cold. But it's good. It's cold. Really good, huh? Yep, it's good, Mommy, it's good. Mmm. Mmm. You want more ice cream, more ice cream. Cool. Mmm. Really good, Mama, really good. Mmm. 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 Goody, goody, goody. Mmm. Mmm. Way, way good, Mama. Hmm. Give a hair freeze. Give a hair freeze. Mm. Mm. Oh, you got a head freeze, huh? Don't talk with food in your mouth. But it is good, Mommy. Okay, here you go. Continue to drink, Mommy. Here you go. Oh, good, 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 good. Hmm. Ugly good, huh? Messy baby. Mickey, Mommy. Messy baby. Mmm. 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 Really good, Mom. Really good. Well, thanks everybody. This was our feeding show. I hope you liked it. It took me a minute to make this show. And it's been a while since we've been on. So sorry. Well, hope you liked it. Hope you give us a big thumbs up. Hope you subscribe us. And be looking for us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Bye.